It is 6:15 in the morning. We are going to the swap meet. Gotta find them radios, see if there's any sweet deals. I bumped into somebody and they said, look for the headlamps. So that tells you about what time of day this is. Oh, I didn't realize it was a 4-element Yagi. Nice. Oh, I didn't see this yesterday. Didn't expect to see something like this here, huh?
We're gonna show up on YouTube now?
Yeah, I think so.
How you doing, Joe?
Good.
American sail launchers, just the thing. You were got trees here.
Yeah.
We've been here.
Someone showed interesting. Okay, so the only thing is, you learn how to use it.
I know how to use that thing. Would you like me to show you? We've got it.
Ooh, an Alpha Smart 2000. Yeah, those are pretty sweet. What do you want for that?
Under $100 there. What do you want?
Oh, I have one, but I'm just curious what they're going for these days.
$100 new on Amazon.
Really? Oh,
You're already.
Welcome to the fleet.
I already got cleaned out, man.
you did?
Yeah.
This is all that's left. Battery kits that I have.
Wow. Oh, field strength meter?
It looks like it. Antenna's down though.
Yeah.
I guess you need to slip it.
Watt meter. Yeah. Cool. Antenna bits over there.
Lovely older bikes. Mine was a TR4 when I was in high school. I've got a TR4 CW now that I'm just not using, so I'm looking for a good home. Good morning.
I'm impressed you found a bug at the flop immediately.
Too many keys, but okay, we'll make an exception.
Yeah, well, we found a new home. Nicely
I'll have
done.
this one hooked up.
There's another one right there.
Yep, and I'll let people know that it's there.
Yeah.
It's a nice original deluxe model.
That's a Vibroplex?
Yeah, Vibraplex.
Yeah.
Relatively current. Didn't check the serial number, but by the label plate and the lack of the circuit closer.
Yeah.
But it's a good looking bug, and it's a very fair price.
What's he asking for it? Oh, that's not bad.
But as I say, I'll have this guy hooked up and running. Yeah, what do you do when they follow you home?
Yeah, that's... Yeah, that's soldering on.
I'm sorry, say again?
Ooh. Those are pretty good recorders. You need an audio recorder? Those are,
Yeah, I saw
those are
those.
pretty legit if he's, I don't know the prices.
Kind of like those VFD displays.
Oh, they're so pretty.
I know.
I've got a GPS DO with that on it.
Oh, hey. There you go.
Hello, my precious.
Oh, wow. Was Vince was looking for these?
I got one of those at the last Ham Fest. That straight key that you're playing?
I think that's a knife.
You know, it's a half of a label.
Yeah.
I have tried to research it. I got nothing. Like search for the back end, but
Something company.
it does work.
No, it's not terribly well adjusted, but how we uses it there. No, 2 minutes, it's adjusted and working perfectly. You might have to clean the contacts.
They're all mine, yeah. They're a big deal.
There's stuff on.
Except you're looking at a guy with 3 cases of this
There's stuff, there's TNCs in there.
You would be saving me time. But
I know I'm not trying to nick it. Something like that.
Which one of those?
yeah, exactly like that. Have you tested them
They
all?
all worked, 15 years ago or whenever I last played them.
Right.
I'm probably not gonna wake up.
All right. I will get it.
Okay.
Thank you.
I think yeah, it's the
Getting any good video on that?
Oh yeah. Very much so. Oh wow, Geochron. That's pretty. Hey, how you doing?
doing well, and you?
Good luck out here. I'm doing well too. Oh, there's a decent amount of people out here.
Keep trying to make it better.
I used to work on airplanes. We kept changing the length
Our piece they'd like to
on a
sell.
C-130
We can almost
because the
certainly
stupid
find
thing,
people with the military
one of the,
application they have.
every time we changed the length, one of the frequency operated on the drug. All right. I got it here, thank you.
If I drove, I'd buy one of those. Probably buy a couple of them.
Yeah, they're bright. It's got a couple of settings where it's not as bright and then brighter. These are on set for 20.
Alright, we hit the end on that side, so we're coming back around. You can see all the little headlamps. It almost looks like we're all trick-or-treating. It's like Halloween evening. All the hands are out to find their tricks or treats.
forgot to ask him what he wanted for it. For that, because it was just sitting there. I knew I was thinking it was. What would you like to buy?
Also things I need.
Interested in a CD coil.
Nice.
That's your also, right?
Free. Oh, your wagon's rolling. You're losing it. What is that? Oh.
Yeah, I got some Bluetooth stuff here somewhere.
There you go. That's a good light.
All those small speakers I
Good morning.
Everyone's still unloading. Yeah, well, they only opened the gates at 5:30.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's an hour ago.
Yeah, but it takes a long time to get set up, especially when people are already shopping like 5 minutes after they open the gate.
Soldering station, $10.
Oh, okay. I'll let people know where.
Yeah, soldering station, but it's one.
Do you have 10?
There's one right here.
Or I've got,
You already sold it.
No,
I've
we got
got
lots.
5. You got 5,
Oh.
7?
Adjustable power too? Yeah, it looks like it.
Kevin, you got
Yeah.
5?
Nice.
If I don't.
$10. I'll tell the folks.
Yeah, tell everybody.
Will.
I got this. So,
You got 2 kids?
Oh, here we go. Here we go.
this
What?
channel for building stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's good stuff.
Yeah,
Cool.
pass the word around.
What's the, how are you selling that? How much?
I don't know how much you want to pay for it.
I can't get it home. I gotta fly.
Make me an offer.
Yeah, all right. I like it. That's right.
Sorry, we need $5 more for the ground.
Well, it looks like I'm trying not to. It looks like I walked through the whole thing. I did find something I actually really needed, so that's nice. Did pay a little bit. Not a great amount of money for it, but I did need it, so that's what this is all about. It's still really popping off though. There's people that are unpacking and they haven't had a whole lot of time to set up, so this is actually going to get better and better over the hours that this is open. So good swap meet for sure. For sure. We got a couple more booths, but then that's going to be the end of it. This guy over here has a bunch of antenna stuff.
I have a box that is power supply oriented.
Okay, I haven't been over there yet.
Keep looking.
Okay.
I'm not going anywhere.
All right.
Just the cables. Okay, and what do we say? We picked up a couple more.
Yeah. So I just say 25.
Whatever you want.
Yeah, 10 is the floor, so I just added to the 15.
At least 20.
That's what I said. You take the box.
I was offering that for 25. Give you something to carry. But it's your choice.
This is a pretty good turnout, Dennis.
Yeah. It's funny, they cleaned out all the HTs.
What HTs did you have?
I had a D72.
Oh yeah, how much was that? Oh, D72. How much was that?
I sold it for 200.
Oh, that is a good deal.
I got it for 230. So,
Oh yeah.
that's good XV2, which I never hacked on. Where did that? F4X.
Wow.
But online, it's like people are complaining that they're never available.
Right. Oh wow, yeah, you got the whole kit and caboodle here. That's pretty good. Get your very own Denko.
Yeah.
Oh, and they're already soldered. Yeah.
So you can, that's the dangerous part. So
Yeah.
for them.
Nice. That's slick. Dawn is breaking, and I am still very tired, so I'm gonna go take a nap. And then I'm gonna wrap up the rest of the show here and get to editing videos. So 73 from Pacificon. The swap meet, very respectable. That's a better swap meet. Not a decent amount of people, lots of radios, lots of different pieces of gear. Good stuff. In fact, I'm gonna walk this way. Let's walk through the show floor. Get out of the cold. So 73 from me, Josh KI6NAZ.